Have you ever wondered what the future actually feels like? Like, what if I told you that right now, AI-powered gadgets are about to take over your home, your office, and maybe even your daily routine in ways you won't believe? Yeah, I'm talking about real-life futuristic tech that'll make you feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie. Let's dive into the 6 AI gadgets that are about to change your life in 2025. We're living in a world where technology is moving so fast that it's honestly hard to keep up. One day, we're amazed by voice assistants answering simple questions, and the next, AI is predicting our needs before we even say a word. The problem? Most people aren't even aware of how much AI is about to completely transform their everyday life. And that means you could be missing out on gadgets that will make your life easier, faster, and, let's be real, way cooler. So, let's fix that. I'm going to walk you through 6 insane AI-powered gadgets that you'll definitely want in your life, ASAP. The answer to keeping up with the future? It's all about embracing AI gadgets that are designed to make your life effortless. From smart home devices that know what you need before you do, to AI-powered personal assistants that actually assist, this isn't just tech, it's an upgrade to your entire lifestyle. All right, let's get into the list. Gadget number 1, AI-powered smart mirrors. Imagine waking up in the morning and looking into your mirror, not just to see yourself, but to get a full breakdown of your day, your schedule, the weather, and even skincare tips based on your skin's real-time condition. That's exactly what AI-powered smart mirrors do. They analyze your face for signs of fatigue, dryness, or stress, and recommend products, all while syncing with your calendar and news feed. You can even use them to try on virtual outfits before you get dressed. It's like having a personal assistant inside your mirror. Gadget number 2, AI-driven personal chef cooking. Love it or hate it, AI is about to revolutionize your kitchen. AI-powered cooking assistants like Sous Vide and ChefBot analyze your fridge, suggest recipes based on what you have, and even cook meals for you with minimal effort. Some of these gadgets go beyond recipe suggestions. We're talking actual cooking, like AI-controlled ovens that know exactly how long to bake your food to perfection, or smart blenders that create the perfect smoothie based on your nutritional needs. No more guessing measurements or overcooking your dinner. It's all handled by AI.Gadget. 3. AI-powered wearable health monitors. Fitness watches are cool, but what if your AI wearable could predict health issues before they happen? Enter AI-powered health monitors like Whoop and Oura Ring. These devices don't just track your steps. They analyze your heart rate, oxygen levels, and even stress patterns, giving you warnings if something seems off. Imagine getting a personalized alert telling you that you're about to get sick before you even feel the symptoms. This is next-level health monitoring that could actually save lives. Gadget number 4, AI security systems that think like a human. Traditional security cameras just record what's happening. AI security systems, though, they learn. Smart security cameras like Deep Sentinel and Google Nest Cam IQ don't just detect movement, they analyze behaviors. For example, if an AI security system notices someone lurking outside your home for too long, it can send an alert before anything happens. Some of these systems even have built-in AI guards that can communicate with intruders in real time. Basically, it's like having a security guard who never sleeps. Gadget number 5, AI-powered sleep assistants. We all know sleep is important, but what if AI could literally help you sleep better? Devices like Hatch Restore and Sleep Number 360 analyze your sleeping patterns and adjust lighting, sound, and even mattress firmness to optimize your rest. AI sleep assistants track your REM cycles and wake you up at the perfect time so you don't feel groggy. Say goodbye to waking up on the wrong side of the bed. AI's got your back. Gadget number 6, AI-powered home robots. We're not talking about clunky old-school robots. We're talking real AI-powered home assistants like Astro by Amazon and Bally by Samsung. These robots roll around your home, check up on pets, remind you of tasks, and even help with chores like vacuuming and cleaning. Imagine coming home to a spotless house, all thanks to your AI butler. The Jetsons' future? It's finally here, and there you have it, 6 AI-powered gadgets that are about to completely change the way you live in 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you want to stay ahead of the tech curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the future of technology. This is Tech Byte, and I'll catch you in the next one.